Hi guys, I'm Sofia Tilbury and welcome back to Charlotte's History of Makeup series. Charlotte has decoded some of the most iconic eras in beauty history, so you can create timeless makeup magic today and every day. From the Bambi doe-eyed gaze of the 60s and the hypnotizing disco eyes of the 70s, to the dramatic lifted cheeks of the 80s and the super matte supermodel skin of the 90s. Today, I'm going to create the next look in this magical series, the 80s. I'm starting with Glow Toner to gently exfoliate and cushion the complexion. Then I'm going in with Magic Eye Rescue to smooth and brighten the under eyes. And following with Magic Serum Crystal Elixir to give the skin a radiant, dewy finish. I'm priming with Magic Water Cream to create that smooth, perfected canvas. With a touch of Magic Lip Oil to hydrate and plump the lip of the lips. Finish with a spritz of Magic Hydrator Mist, and that's our skin prep done. For complexion, I'm starting with Hollywood Flawless Filter. 80s makeup was often quite matte and full coverage, but I want to give this a more modern edge. This formula still smooths and blurs, but it also gives the skin a gorgeous radiance. Conceal any shadow or pigmentation with Magic Vanish Color Corrector for a perfect look base. Just pat in with your Magic Complexion brush for a seamless blend. A great trick with concealer is to use a lighter shade to lift and brighten, and a match for your skin tone to erase any blemishes or redness. Amelia has gorgeous skin, so I'm just using shade 4 along the inner and outer corners of the eye, nose and lip to create that lift effect. Now we need to add powder to get that perfectly set and soft focus look they loved in the 80s. And another tip is to use a brightening powder to bounce the light away from shadow under the eyes. Bright blues, pinks and purples were all the rage in the 80s, so first I'm going to lay down a pink cream base using a favourite from my personal kit. Glide all over the lids and along the lower lash line. I'm using the rich plum and burgundy tones from the vintage Vamp palette to build up the pigment, gliding deeper shades along the lash line for definition, and accentuating the crease and the outer corners to get that exaggerated graphic eye shape. You can also glide the pale shimmer shades over the brow bone, inner corners and centre of the lid for an eye-widening effect. Tightline with Velvet Violet eyeliner for added drama. Then finish with your favourite individual lashes and plenty of Pillow Talk mascara. To create fluffy 80s brows, use the brow cheek pencil to fill in the shape with small feather-like strokes, in the direction the hair naturally grows. Remember to define the arch for that 80s exaggerated lift. An 80s lip is always bold and beautiful. Start by lining and filling the lips with a deep berry tone. Then top with Velvet Underground lipstick to create a bright fuchsia pink pout. Contour with the Hollywood Contour wand to create a strikingly sculpted look. This blends super easily, so you can really build up that supermodel bone structure. The 80s embraced bright, bold blush, so I'm going in first with Pinkgasm. Blending high over the cheeks and temples, and topping with the cheek to cheek in Love is the Drug. For a flawless finish, spritz with AIRbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and that's our 80s inspired makeup look. Thanks for watching. Which decade do you want to see next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Lots of love.